Exchange.
In the D. I love the way this car sounds. It sounds amazing. Oh, we got sideways right there. Damn. That was some sideways action. And this is why I love my Scatpack. What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. As you can see, I'm still out here with B. You guys are gonna get a 2 vlog day from me. I'm dropping 2 vlogs in 1 day. I told you guys I want to get more content out to you, and I want to keep pumping it out. So with this one, let me start this one off by saying, in no way, shape, or form am I bashing this company. I'm sponsored by them. They're an amazing company. Customer service is great. Everything about them is great. I just want to show you guys what can happen if you I guess buy this product. And the product is amazing. The product is great. Makes your car look super dope. You'll love it. It's just, I want to show you guys what can happen after you install this product or get it installed. You can run into issues where the product can fail on you. But the one good thing about Lightingtrendz is it's a lifetime warranty. And those guys respond quickly, and they get the products out to you quickly, so you can fix your issues. But I wanted to show you guys today what can happen when those issues, you know, arise. All right, so here we go, man. I want to talk about the Flowseries. It's a great product from Lightingtrendz. Just understand that. I'm not trying to bash them on it. It's an amazing product, and I love it, and I swear by it. Like, it's dope. But understand that when you buy them, things can happen. You know, anything can fail on a product. Just be aware of that. But like I said, these guys are good at getting the new replacement parts out to you. So let's start with my DRLs, man. From right here, my DRLs look amazing. You know, they're strobing right now, or should I say they're flowing right now, but they look good, right? All right, now let's get up close on it. So as you guys can see, half of my LED strip is out from right there to the rear. There's a couple LEDs that have failed right there, so it doesn't flow correctly. So Lightingtrendz sent me a replacement part. I just haven't had a chance to get it installed. But my guy Anthony down at LED Customs, but it's gonna happen, trust me. My fog light right here, it looks good. Everything's good. Coming over here, as you can see, this LED strip has failed. The one at the bottom, it's not flowing correctly. But like I said, these things happen. It's just something you got to deal with when you get the Flowseries. I heard they got new controllers. I haven't heard too many issues from people recently, but I know my guy Fat Cat, me and him was going back and forth last year about some of the problems we were having with these Flowseries. As you can see, one of my fog lights had failed as well. It's about 6 LEDs that's failed right there. And Lightingtrendz has sent me the replacement part for that as well. So I'm gonna get them installed. But like I said, man, these Flowseries can run into issues. That's why on Raven, when I went and did my headlights, I did the RGBWs, because I haven't heard too many problems with people having those, because there's no flowing. It's strobes and it's solid colors. And most of the time I'm running solid colors anyway, except when I pull up the car shows, I like to have the Flowseries. But I got the Flowseries on my engine bay and my grill and everything on Raven, so we're just gonna stick with that. But I don't like the idea of somebody having to take off my bumper again, you know, open up my headlights, replace the strips, reseal my headlights, because you know you don't want to have any moisture or anything in there, and then put the stuff back on so it could be working again. I don't like that idea. I like to have it done once. I don't like my headlights to keep being open and closed or open and sealed. So just be cognizant of that when you buy these. Anything can happen. But the Flowseries are great. I just chose the RGBWs for the headlights. I mean, for the DRLs and the halos. But other than that, I mean, the products are great. I haven't had no issues with my underglow. Let's see if I can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. The underglow is on though, but I haven't had any issues with those, nor have I had any issues with my demon eyes. I got them on blue right now. 0 issues. It's just the freaking the halos, or not the halos, the DRLs and the fog light. Also, I have a LED strip right there along the back, and I have a LED strip right here along the front. Those two have failed on me. Lightingtrendz sent me the replacement parts. I ended up putting them on Raven, so that's what you see on Raven in the grill and the engine bay. I put them on that vehicle instead of this one, but I'm just gonna order another kit from them, and I'm gonna have it reinstalled on this car. So we're gonna get the engine bay back going, we're gonna do the grill, and we're gonna get the LED strips on the DRLs fixed, and we're gonna get the fog light fixed. So I don't want you guys tagging me or tagging Lightingtrendz in this, or trying to send it to Lightingtrendz and think I'm bashing them or anything. Like I said, I'm sponsored by those guys. Product is amazing, customer service is amazing. I just want to show you guys the good, the bad, the ugly with all of my cars and what I do to them, so you can have it in your mind what you might want to do, might not want to do, you know what I mean? So like I said, Lightingtrendz to me is the best company when it comes to lighting on your vehicles. I'm gonna keep buying all my lighting through them. I'm getting ready to buy the floor lighting for Raven. I'm gonna buy what I'm getting, the floor lighting, I'm getting the wheel lighting, and I'm getting the underglow on Raven. And I'm gonna get these things fixed. So to me, Lightingtrendz is number one. But I just wanted you guys to see what can possibly happen. I know a lot of people don't show the good stuff or the bad stuff that can happen to your car. They like to hide it, you know what I mean, and just replace it and then be like, oh, look at me, I'm shining. Like, no, these things can happen. So just be cognizant of that. There's nothing wrong with getting the RGBWs, like I said, for the halos and the fog lights, halos, fog lights, and DRLs, and getting Flowseries everywhere else. Or get Flowseries and the DRLs and the fogs and all that and enjoy it. I mean, not everybody's fail. Mine has. I know a couple other people that I know out here in Washington, theirs has failed as well. Like I said, I know people that I talk to online via Instagram, whatever, they've had issues as well. It's just, you just got to take all that in consideration when you modifying your car. Like, things can happen. But once again, I want to reiterate, Lightingtrendz is #1 in my book when it comes to vehicle lighting. And I'm going to keep on using them. So I will never bash them, never say anything negative about them. I just want to give you guys this information. So, and I'll leave down below in the description where it says lights. You know, that's Lightingtrendz. That's where I get all my lights from. So if you guys want to know where I get this stuff from. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. If you're a returning subscriber, once again, I thank you. You guys are #1. We're going to keep going up for 2020, man. Stay blessed, stay positive. We're going to get through this whole pandemic together. I'm trying to do vlogs, like, just so you guys can enjoy it, just to have something, you know, take your mind off of the BS that we're all going through. I just want you guys to watch my vlogs and be like, oh, that's fun, oh, that's cool, oh, I like the way you did that, or whatever. Oh, I should do that when I get my car, when I get my Scatpack or my Hellcat or whatever. I just want you guys to enjoy something other than the negative that's going on in this world, man. So continue to stay positive, continue to stay blessed, and until the next one, peace.